Hello everybody, hi to all, have a nice time, and I want to show this lock. This is new lock in my city, A-bus titanium patented. I don't know what does this mean, but I can to say this is good quality, not bad. Good look and not have mushrooms, but I can to say easy to pick him, and now we try to do it. And after this lock, I say about another lock something. Okay, this I show, yes, my darling cat. Okay, this is 1 millimeter. Okay, 1 millimeter. Nice. And we try now to open this lock. First pin. Second, first pin. Third, first, fourth, first, second, not picked second. After will problem. Okay, and okay, first, second, third, four, and five. And now we need to found what not on the place for. Nice. This is our opening. This is our test. And now we move this. Just I want to show this look, how this look.